Hello, this is Mr. Stone. In this video, we're going to learn about acids and bases. After watching this video, you should learn how to distinguish acids from bases by their properties. You should learn some examples of common acids and uses of acids, as well as some examples of common bases and uses of bases. Why is understanding acids and bases important? Many of the processes in our bodies rely on a balance of acids and bases. Medicines we use have to do with acids and bases, and industry and manufacturing also involve acids and bases. Let's start by defining what an acid is and identifying some of its properties. An acid is a substance that releases a positively charged hydrogen ion in water. Acids are easily recognized by their sour taste. Citric acid makes lemons and limes taste sour. A way to test for acids is to use litmus paper. Litmus paper contains a compound that changes color in acids and bases. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Acids also react with metals and release hydrogen gas. This image shows that when you place a piece of zinc metal in an acidic solution, bubbles of hydrogen gas form. The ability to neutralize a base is another important chemical property of an acid. Now let's look at some examples of how acids are used. In our stomachs, acids help to digest our food. Amino acids are the monomers in the protein polymers that make up your body tissues. Carbonic acid and phosphoric acid are used to maintain a delicate balance in your blood. Acids are also used in making many products. Manufacturers use sulfuric acid in a wide variety of products, including fertilizers, detergents, plastics, and pesticides. Some common acids we find are vinegar. They're used in medicines such as aspirin. The vitamin C in oranges and other citric fruit contains acid. Our car batteries have acid in them, and even a very common drink we put into our bodies, soda, is acid. Now it's time to define bases and look at the properties of bases. A base is a substance that produces hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. The chemical formula for a hydroxide ion is OH negative. Just like acids, bases also have a common set of properties. In aqueous solutions, they feel slippery on your skin. You experience this when you use soap, which contains a base. If you've ever gotten soap in your mouth, you know how bitter it tastes. A bitter taste is another physical property of bases. Solutions of bases cause red litmus paper to turn blue. A final property to know is that bases neutralize acids by forming salts and water. Let's now look at some ways of how bases are used. An example is in medicines that are used to help upset stomachs and heartburn. Based sodium bicarbonate is used in baking. Other bases are used to neutralize acidic soil to help grow crops. Strong bases such as sodium hydroxide are used for cleaning because they are able to eliminate grease. Let's now look at some common bases. We see bases used in medicines like antacids, in deodorants to help us from perspiring. They're used in glass cleaners. We see it in baking soda we use for baking cakes and pastries. Dish soap and hand soap. Drain cleaners is a strong base, as well as the bleach we use to make our clothes white. So real quickly, let's make sure that you were able to learn how to distinguish acids from bases by their properties. You can give examples of common acids and uses of common acids, as well as examples of common bases and uses of common bases. Thanks for watching and thinking. I hope this video helped.